Hello and welcome to the San Francisco Real Estate Market Update with Kevin Birmingham. I'm your host, and today I want to talk about weather, fog. There's San Francisco, and there's the fog of San Francisco. And the reason I want to talk about that is because of the uncertainty of what is going to go on in the economy this year and what is going to go on in the real estate market. When we look at yesterday's San Francisco Chronicle, home prices slide, except for in far-flung spots. The article talks about the big hit that has happened to the San Francisco Bay Area market and to the Los Angeles market in particular. But when I look at it, the San Francisco Chronicle is usually about 3 weeks behind what's actually going on in the market. So when we look at December that we just came out of, we're looking at prices that are down over 11% from the year before. And they're down from December 2021 slightly. So a lot of that price appreciation that came from COVID has evaporated in the last year. But when we look from an overall trend, we're still positive, especially we have higher prices than we had that pre-COVID period. Now, what we're seeing in January is a much healthier real estate market than we had in the second half of 2022. And a lot of that has to be going with so much fear that happened last year. Fear of the economy going into a recession, over a 70% chance of it going into a recession. Fear of a huge slide in San Francisco real estate market and real estate markets nationwide of price declines. And fear of the stock market falling off the cliff. We've seen the stock market come back a bit. We've seen some inflation numbers come down. We are seeing both good news and bad news, but we've seen a lot more positive news than we would have last year. And where is that going to continue? We don't know. That's where this fog comes into mind, that we need to be cautious about what we do this year. We don't want to hit on the brakes of a purchase decision if we find the right property. Oh, in the long run, this is going to be a great decision. At the same time, we don't want to jump into something risky if prices may go down further. We really don't know the numbers until they come in. And the Fed is watching this too. They don't have the information. They're trying to figure this out as much as we are. And so we're probably looking at the Fed raising interest rates at least one, maybe two more times. They're certainly not going to decline rates until that inflation number comes down to just over 2.5%, or slightly over 2, somewhere in that range. So for the rest of the year, we are going to report back to you, let you know what's going on. But so far, the numbers have been very good compared to where we are last year. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. If you would like to, please follow our page. We're going to have more information this year, and like our page. And we appreciate you coming out, and we hope to have more information to you soon. Thank you, and have a great week.